Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Did you miss a payment on your Upstart loan? Maybe it was a mistake or you simply forgot. Either way, a late payment can hurt your credit score, but don't panic. In this video, I'll show you how to remove a late payment from your Upstart loan report, as well as what to do if the late payment was a mistake, and also how to prevent late payments in the future. So let's get started. Step 1, check if the late payment is reported. So first, you need to check if your late payment was actually reported to the credit bureau. So log into your Upstart account and check your payment history. Now, if the payment was less than 30 days late, Upstart won't report it. You just need to pay it back as soon as possible to avoid fees. But if it's 30 plus days late, then it may have already been reported. So now let's check your credit reports to confirm. And step 2 is going to be to check your credit report for late payment marks. So to see if your late payment was reported, just get a free credit report from annualcreditreport.com, or you can use apps like Credit Karma, and just look for the Upstart loan and check if there's a late payment status. Now, if the late payment isn't there yet, then you still have time to fix it before it's reported. But if it was reported, then don't worry, we have ways to go about it. So step 3, how to dispute the late payment if it was a mistake. So if the late payment wasn't your fault, for example, if you actually paid on time but Upstart recorded it late, or if there was a technical issue with the payments, or if the reporting is inaccurate on your credit report, then you can dispute it with the credit bureau. All you got to do is go to Experian or Equifax or TransUnion's website and file a dispute under the late payment section. And then you're going to need to upload proof like payment receipts or bank statements. And once this is done, the bureau will investigate and may remove the late mark if it was indeed a mistake. Now, this is the fastest way to remove incorrect late payments. Step 4 is to request a goodwill adjustment from Upstart. So if the late payment was your fault, you can try a goodwill adjustment letter. Now, a goodwill adjustment letter is a polite request to Upstart asking them to remove the late payment as a one-time courtesy. And here's how to do that. So all you got to do is email Upstart support at upstart.com, or you can just call them up and explain the situation and why you missed the payments, and show that you've been a good customer with on-time payments before, and just politely ask them to remove the late mark as a one-time exception. Now, goodwill adjustment works best if you've only had one late payment and actually have a good payment history. Now, the 5th step is to set up autopay to avoid future late payments. So to make sure this never happens again, set up autopay in your Upstart account. You can do that by logging in and going to manage payments, and then enable autopay to schedule your payments automatically, and make sure your bank account has enough funds on payment days so that payment can go through. And this is going to prevent late payments and help to boost your credit score over time. And yeah, that's how you remove a late payment from your Upstart loan report. So if this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more financial tips. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.